Many individuals seek a reliable SUV that can endure countless road trips while maintaining strength and dependability. However, which models have demonstrated the ability to last, potentially even achieving the remarkable milestone of 400,000 miles? To address this question, iSeeCars, a vehicle research organization, examines sales data from over 260 million vehicles. Their findings underscored specific models renowned for their outstanding longevity and durability. Let us explore these options. Number 10. Ford Expedition. The Ford Expedition stands out as an excellent choice for those in search of a spacious SUV that offers ample seating, impressive towing capabilities, and a robust, truck-like design. Its body and frame construction, combined with the Triton V8 engine in its second generation, positions it as a formidable workhorse, adept at managing heavy loads and challenging conditions. The Triton V8 is well known for its strength and reliability, making it a wise selection for long-term ownership. Additionally, the Expedition shares numerous mechanical components with the F-150 and other Ford models, ensuring that parts are readily available and repair expenses remain reasonable. Most mechanics are already experienced in servicing these engines and components, facilitating straightforward and cost-effective maintenance. The data from iSeeCars indicates a 20% likelihood of reaching 250,000 miles, which is impressive and highlights its long-term reliability, significantly surpassing the average for SUVs. This makes it an attractive option for those requiring dependable transportation over many years. Furthermore, the availability of a 2016 model for approximately $10,000 renders it an appealing choice for budget-conscious families. With appropriate maintenance, these SUVs can provide extensive service for road trips, commutes, and towing adventures. Make these vehicles some of the most value-packed options in the used SUV market. If you are in search of a reliable, spacious, and affordable SUV, the Expedition certainly warrants a closer examination. Moving on to the 9th position, we have the GMC Yukon. The 5th generation of the GMC Yukon showcases a substantial redesign that merges rugged capability with contemporary technology and comfort. It is offered in two configurations, the standard Yukon and the extended Yukon XL, catering to families and adventurers who require additional cargo or passenger space. Built on GM's T1 platform, the Yukon is manufactured at GM's Arlington plant in Texas. The powertrain options are noteworthy, featuring a dependable 5.3 L V8 engine that produces 355 horsepower, an upgraded 6.2 L V8 engine delivering 420 horsepower. In the 8th position, we have the Subaru Outback. Car buyers frequently encounter a challenging decision between crossovers, SUVs, and family sedans, but the Outback seamlessly integrates the best attributes of all three into a well-designed, safe, and capable wagon. It offers the utility of an SUV, the aesthetic appeal of a crossover, and the comfort of a sedan. Mid-size sedan enthusiasts have demonstrated unwavering loyalty to Subaru over the decades, primarily due to the Outback's exceptional reliability and versatility. Its sturdy construction, top-tier safety ratings, and Subaru's renowned Boxer 4-cylinder engine, combined with a symmetrical all-wheel drive system, make the Outback well-equipped for any adventure. Manufactured at Subaru's facility in Lafayette, Indiana, the Outback is engineered for longevity. According to iSeeCars, there is a 22.3% likelihood that it will exceed 250,000 miles, which is 1.5 times the average for an SUV. This remarkable durability renders fifth-generation models produced between 2015 and 2019 an outstanding choice for used car purchasers. The Honda CR-V ranks 7th among popular compact SUVs, having been a bestseller for Honda for over 2 decades. Its impressive fuel efficiency, responsive handling, and spacious, well-designed interior have made it a preferred option for crossover buyers. In the used car market, the CR-V is recognized for its reliability and low maintenance requirements, contributing to its strong resale value. This is largely due to Honda's advanced engine technology, which is celebrated for its efficiency and durability. With straightforward maintenance, a CR-V can remain in excellent condition for many years. As reported by iSeeCars, the CR-V has a 27.5% chance of reaching 250,000 miles, with some models even achieving up to 1 million miles. For those seeking a more recent used model equipped with solid technology features, the 2015 and 2016 CR-Vs are excellent choices. Often available for under $13,000, the Honda Element is a distinctive compact SUV recognized for its unique, boxy design, which set trends in the automotive industry. The Honda Element, alongside models such as the Kia Soul and Nissan Cube, was introduced in 2003 and remained in production in the United States until 2011. Although it is no longer being manufactured, it continues to be prevalent in the used car market due to its remarkable durability. Many automotive technicians commend the Element for its straightforward design, which facilitates cost-effective repairs when needed. The Acura MDX, a luxury midsize SUV, exemplifies Honda's esteemed engineering capabilities. Known for its long-lasting reliability, many MDX owners report achieving significant mileage without facing major mechanical issues. The vehicle's powertrain, which includes a robust V6 engine paired with a well-engineered automatic transmission, is frequently praised for its dependability. When repairs are required, they are generally more economical compared to those for other luxury SUVs. iSeeCars indicates that the Acura MDX has a 29.2% chance of surpassing 250,000 miles, which is 1.9 times higher than the average for SUVs. For budget-conscious consumers, the second-generation MDX, produced from 2010 to 2013, provides a commendable balance of affordability and quality. 1. The Toyota 4Runner is a mid-size SUV that has been in production since 1984 and is currently in its 5th generation. In certain regions, it is referred to as the Hux Surf. The 4Runner has established a solid reputation for its reliability, durability, and outstanding off-road performance. Toyota's choice to maintain a body-on-frame construction has proven to be effective. It features a dependable 4.0-liter V6 engine paired with a 5-speed automatic transmission. Although this configuration may not be the most fuel-efficient by contemporary standards, it remains one of Toyota's most reliable powertrains. According to iSeeCars, the Toyota 4Runner has a 41% likelihood of exceeding 250,000 miles, which is 2.7 times greater than the average SUV. This remarkable longevity contributes to the strong resale value of even older models with high mileage. 2. The Honda Pilot is a mid-sized 3-row crossover SUV designed for individuals seeking ample seating and cargo space without compromising on handling or traction. Launched in 2003, the Pilot has garnered a reputation for reliability, making it one of the most trusted options in the mid-size SUV market. A notable model within the Pilot lineup is the second generation, produced from 2009 to 2015. This version is powered by Honda's 3.5-litre J35 V6 engine, which delivers 250 horsepower and 253 pounds-ft of torque. Honda deliberately tuned this engine to be less powerful than its potential, a strategy that reduces stress on the engine's components and enhances its longevity. And stay tuned for another informative car video coming your way.